nice sardines here. I remember when my mother used to prepare one sardine for like 4 of us. Oh my goodness, 4 or 5 people. Okay, so that's my sardine there. I'm gonna crush it. I'm gonna add some, as you can see here, sweet pepper. Sweet pepper. Let me get my sweet pepper together. And you know what? I can't use all of this. These are hard times. These are hard times. So let me add some pepper to this sardine. Sweet pepper. Sweet pepper. And then I have a piece of onion here. Let me get that onion into it as well. Sweet pepper, onion. Not too much. Okay. Another piece. Oops. I gotta get off this piece right here. This piece gotta go. You gotta go. Rainy day food. Sunny day food. Any day food. Sardine. Food for camp. Alright, good. So now I'm gonna mellow her out. I'm gonna add some black pepper to this. Ooh, nice and easy. Black pepper. Very good. So now I'm gonna add some black pepper, not too much. You don't have. See the black pepper going on there? Perfect. So that's my black pepper. Can you see the black pepper? Yep, black pepper. Alrighty. Nice and easy. And I made some coffee. You know, guys, it's 2:15 in the afternoon. And I have not had breakfast yet. Not good. And I'm gonna drop a few crackers on this plate. That's it. Six crackers. That's good enough for me. Okay. That's it. That's all she wrote. Hands down. Bon appetit to me.